In what proportion must wheat at rupees 3.1 per kg be mixed with wheat at rupees 3.6 per kg so that the mixture is sold at rupees 3.5 to earn 25 paise? Now, the cost price of the first type of wheat is 3.1. Cost price of the second type of wheat is 3.6. Now, the value in middle should always be the cost price of the mixture. Now here 3.5 is the selling price and 25 paise is the profit. Now cost price is nothing but selling price minus profit. So selling price is 3.5 and 25 paise is the profit, that is 0.25. So therefore we get the cost price of mixture as 3.25. So this needs to be written in between, that is here. So 3.25. Now let's cross subtract. So 3.6 minus 3.25, we have 0.35, and 3.25 minus 3.1, you have 0.15. Now, this is the ratio in which the two types of wheat are to be mixed. Now, we will have to reduce it. So this will become 35 is to 15, and we can reduce it further. 5 sevens are 35 and 5 threes are 15. So the final answer comes as 7 is to 3. So answer will be option C.